Hello, hello, and welcome to another version of me, Ferry Transporter. Today I am at Durham for my part 2 of the videos. Today I am joined by Transport East. Please go and check out his channel. And today we're being serviced by Cross Country, Virgin East Coast, and Transparent Express. Coming in now is the Cross Country service. And it's off to Reading. Right, cross country service to Reading is now ready to depart. And the number is 221141. Next service to arriving is the cross country service off to Plymouth, the 1443 service. And the number is 220007. On the front and on the rear, I'll get it on its departure. Part now is the cross country, the 1440 54 service, cross country service, Plymouth. On the front it's double 27770 and 22016.
Double pairing of 220s, 220.007 and 220.016. Both go to Plymouth from Edinburgh.
Next service to arrive in is a Virgin East Coast service to London King's Cross. And on the front, it's 82 229, and I'll get the rear on its departure. Next depart now is the Virgin East Coast service to London King's Cross with 82227 on the front. And on the rear, it's 91 145. And also arrived in as a Transpine Express service off to Newcastle, a delayed 1450 service.
Oh yes, that is also that is correct. Delayed 1450 from Manchester Airport.
From Manchester Airport to Newcastle.
Unfortunately, couldn't read out the numbers, but here he is anyway.
We may get the numbers on this return leg in about an hour's time.
Oh yeah, maybe that's it. Unless they cancel it.
Yeah.
That's one thing. Or maybe they just did cancel, reinstate, just like cross country did. I wonder.
And also arriving in is, I think, another TPX. I think it's passing. Definitely a TPX.
1506. So 1505. Arriving 1506, 1505. So we're expecting a lot of stoppers now for the next couple of times. Lots of stoppers until past later, 1533.
When was the London Cross one? Cross.
The
VTEC.
London Kings, VTEC past 1510, supposed to pass 1510, 1540.
Must be something up in Edinburgh or something. Something's on. $15.05 service to London Liverpool Lime Street, TPX service. And I'll get the number on its departure. Right now is the Liverpool Lime Street service, TPX. And the number is 82132. Next service arriving is a Transpine Express service to Newcastle, calling it Chester Street and Newcastle with 185 150. Okay, on its departure. Next service arriving is a cross-country service to Reading, as the Transpine Express service to Newcastle departs. I'll get the number on its departure. Next service part is a cross-country service to Reading via Leeds.
That is the 1516 cross-country service to Reading and Doncaster via Leeds.
And the number for that one is 220025. That's 220025. Next service in Ryron is a cross-country service to Glasgow.
1517 cross-country service to Glasgow Central. Now this was originally coming from Penzance. This is from
Number is 221119.
One of our lovely collaborators, Catering Videos. You'll like this one.
Next service to that pass through was a freight.
Office 2219 heading to Glasgow Central, Memory Street, originally from Penzance.
As
What have we
customer,
got here? It's a freight.
I think it's from to York from St Uni or something. Oh, look at that clag, as people say. And there's a next service arriving is a Virgin Trains East Coast service HSC to Newcastle.
The car running now is the lane 53.
With 43316 on the front. With the National Rail Museum 40 years livery. And the number is 43238. Sorry about the little shape there. I kicked my tripod by mistake. And as you can see, there's a Virgin Trans-Pennine Express service arriving in now. The 1330 Trans-Pennine Express service to Manchester Airport.
Okay, also right here is the 1532 Trans-Pennine Express service to Manchester Airport.
We'll get them on its departures. Alright, might even say coming back. Next service but is a Trans-Pennine Express service to Manchester Airport. And the number on the Trans-Pennine Express service is 82114. And also ready to depart is a HST service to Newcastle.
Let's see the HST, yeah, 42.
There we go. It's
No, see the whistle, you can't hear it. The whistle they didn't whistle, so I think that's wrong.
and it's departing now after good 4 minutes. And that service will form the 25 past 4 service from Newcastle to London. Next service arriving is a cross-country service off to Newcastle again. And it's from Southampton Central. And the number is 22006. So we've seen 06 and we've seen 07 and now we've seen 06. In this very video. Part now is a 1525 cross-country service to Newcastle from Southampton Central, and that will probably form a service back to Southampton, which we'll be calling at Jesse Street on the way back. I can guarantee it. Oh, can't guarantee it, but hey. Next service to pass through is the delayed 1510 Virgin Trains East Coast service to London to King's Cross.
Okay, passing through now is a delayed.
I'm checking on because there's another one due past. We've got another one passing. And also passing is the flying 91 Flying Scotsman. So the Flying Scotsman towards thing is 91 101 221. Here's 91 129, and on the rear is London King's Cross service. Then the rate is 82 200. Next train arriving is a Transpan Express service to Newcastle. It's 185142, and I now can officially say that is my new stalker.
There we go, it's now already confirmed by listing. Here is the VTEC service.
And the arriving in is now a VTEC service off to London. The delayed 1549 VTEC service to London with 82 201 on the front. And on the rear, I'll get the Rayon's departure. Well, the bar now will be the 185, 142, which we can't see, but we can hear it going. And finally, the barn is the 1547 Virgin Trains East Coast service to London with 82210 on the front. And there she goes. And is that the part? I will end my video here. This has been part 2 of trains at Durham. The first part was at obviously Durham with KTV videos, and today I have been joined by Train Spot East. So I'll wait until the train parts and then I'll tell you where my next videos are from. And on the rear is City with 91128. Now this video will be uploaded probably on Monday. Then after I'm continuing to Cheshire Street with Transport East, but if it's too wet I won't have a video, so I'll let you know on my channel about that. And then tomorrow I am at Doncaster with DB trains, AB trains and a few others, and that video should be out by Wednesday or Friday. So that's all from me here at Durham. Thank you and goodbye.